The cloud-based LawWiz admin server truly is our secret weapon. LawWiz is built entirely on our own proprietary platform and infrastructure at admin.lawwiz.com. It is developed using Laravel PHP, MySQL, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and React, providing a secure, scalable, and high-performance environment for all our ecosystem operations. The administration portal includes dashboards for business intelligence, featuring Google Analytics integration, Search Console monitoring, billing and revenue tracking, user management, Stripe and PayPal payment processing, transaction and refund management, coupon administration, system logs, and advanced email management with filtering, tracking, and template controls. It also provides blog management, LMS administration, website content management for pages, sections, and subpages, as well as complete management of LawWiz apps. LawWiz is a comprehensive legal platform revolutionizing how legal professionals access legal tech resources. Our $100 yearly subscription replaces over $5,000 of annual legal software and CLE requirements. After 4+ years of development, our unified solution addresses the fragmented legal tech landscape. Our team has been hiding in the laboratory, perfecting our platform before this official launch in June 2026. The global English-based legal services market exceeds $600 billion annually. This market is projected to double in size within the next 5 years. The legal software and technology segment specifically represents $26+ billion with a compound annual growth rate of 10.2%. This growth rate outpaces the overall legal services market, indicating accelerating technology adoption. LawWiz spent 4 years in development on a shoestring budget with a 10-person Pakistani team led remotely by Houston attorney and former national tech personality Tom King. Launched in June 2026, we are expanding to 48 developers, 24 digital marketers, and 24 biz dev attorneys in Pakistan and the Philippines, at an average HR cost of $4 per hour. We desire $2.5 million for a 25% equity stake based on a $10 million valuation. Ideally, investors will come from global tech brands, venture capitalists, and large-scale law firms. This will allow us to create a second generation of our 1,000+ AI-enhanced tools and new premium services. We are negotiating with select national bar organizations to deploy LawWiz to their countries to surpass 1 million users in our first year. See the About section of LawWiz.com for more info. LawWiz is pursuing $2.5 million of investment to fund 2.5 years of operations, which we recoup with 25,000 new users. To capture this $5 billion market, we will create 4-person squads in Islamabad, Pakistan and Manila in the Philippines comprised of AI-savvy developers, marketers, and biz dev attorneys for an average hourly cost of $4, managed from Texas. We will expand to 12 squads of 4 developers, 6 squads of 4 marketers, and 6 squads of 4 biz dev attorneys in these countries, for a total headcount of 100. Tom King will continue to visit these countries 4 months per year. This allows us to develop our second and third generation ecosystem of legal resources, apps, legal education, self-improvement webinars, and additional premium cost services. As a result, our value proposition will improve from $5,000 to $6,000 of annual saving.